Isn't it wonderful how effortlessly wealth flows into my life, allowing me to live in abundance and joy? I am a magnet for prosperity. Wealth and success naturally gravitate towards me. Every day, I am grateful for the increasing financial abundance that is a constant in my life. Isn't it amazing how my bank account grows larger each day, reflecting my endless prosperity? I am surrounded by abundance. Every aspect of my life is filled with prosperity. Feeling the joy as I hold the keys to my dream house, I revel in the abundance that has made this possible. My investments multiply, bringing me unexpected financial gains and security. Isn't it beautiful how I effortlessly attract lucrative opportunities that enhance my wealth? I am deserving of financial abundance, and I welcome it into my life with open arms. As I envision myself traveling the world in luxury, I am thankful for the financial freedom that makes it a reality. My talents and skills are constantly rewarded with financial prosperity. The universe conspires to fill my life with financial abundance and success. I am a master of my finances, skillfully managing and growing my wealth. With every breath, I feel more empowered and confident in my ability to create wealth. Isn't it amazing how every decision I make leads me closer to financial abundance? My positive attitude towards money attracts more of it into my life. I am financially independent, with the freedom to live life on my own terms. Visualizing my prosperous future, I feel a deep sense of peace and confidence. I am constantly discovering new avenues for wealth and abundance. The feeling of holding my first million is exhilarating and fills me with gratitude. My financial success uplifts and inspires those around me. Every challenge I face is an opportunity to grow my wealth and prosperity. Isn't it beautiful to see my savings account flourish, providing me with security and peace of mind? The energy of abundance surrounds me, influencing all areas of my life positively. I am in harmony with the energy of wealth, and it flows freely in my life. I celebrate each financial goal I achieve, knowing many more are on their way. My prosperous mindset attracts wealth like a powerful magnet. Feeling the joy of donating generously, I am grateful for the abundance that allows me to give back. I am the architect of my financial destiny, creating abundance with every thought and action. My successful business ventures reflect the prosperity mindset I cultivate daily. Isn't it amazing how my creative ideas always lead to financial success? I trust the universe to provide abundantly, and it never fails me. With each passing day, my wealth and prosperity grow exponentially. I am financially savvy, making wise decisions that multiply my wealth. Living a life of luxury, I am thankful for the financial abundance that makes it all possible.